Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make easy and delicious bread omelette. If you woke up late today and you're running out of time, but you need to make a breakfast for you or for your children. So previously I have done easy butter toast just using 3 ingredients. You can watch the recipe video by clicking this card, or I have put the link at the description below. Today's bread omelette gonna be a little bit spicy. You don't need a fancy ingredient. You know, sometimes it's better to keep things as simple, and this bread omelette is one of those things. So before we get into the video, do subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video to your family and friends, and turn on post notifications. So without further ado, let's get this recipe started. These are the ingredients that needed to make bread omelette. Firstly, let's start cutting the green chilies. You can add more green chilies if you want. But since I can't eat so spicy, so I just take this much. Now add 2 eggs. If you want to make more breads, then add another 1 egg. Now add those green chilies that we cut just now. Next, add 1 tablespoon of chili powder and mix it well. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it well. Then apply it on the bread. I love to add some butter whenever I do bread toast or bread omelette. Now let's toast the bread. While waiting for it, let's make some tea. Now it's time to flip it. And it's ready! I love to drink hot tea in the morning and tea time. some black pepper, and it's ready to be served. Alright guys, this bread omelette, you can serve this with fried eggs, a bowl of fresh fruits, or anything that you love to combine with this breakfast. I usually do this bread omelette when I'm having morning class, or sometimes I woke up late in the morning, and this recipe will be my lifesaver because you can make this bread omelette in just 5 minutes. And I'll serve this bread omelette with a bowl of fresh green apples and a cup of hot tea. So go ahead and give this recipe a try. If you do and you like it, go ahead and let me know down below in the comments. If you like this video, be sure to give thumbs up, subscribe for more, and keep up to date on all my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching guys, and we will meet next week. Stay positive, stay safe. Bye!